The security guard acted as fast as he could to save the life of his colleague. A Boeing 727 crashed into the water, and the locals took their boats out to help. Thanks to these heroes, all 47 passengers and crew members survived. These two found their other halves. And these women finally got to see their partners return from overseas deployment. This is Jonathan, and he is colorblind. Just watch his reaction after he sees color for the very first time. All thanks to the school principal, who is also colorblind.
Awesome. Hey, come here. Come here, dude. Oh,
It's okay.
Everyone's older than me. Everyone's bigger
You don't have to tackle.
Bob, listen to me. No, Bob, listen to me. Bob, you are a brilliant rugby player. You understand that? You're insane. You're actually insane.
This boy will remember his friend for life after this incredible pep talk.
Come on.
And this really raises the bar for proposals. What do you think she said?
Yes.
This driver made sure they both crossed the finish line. This man has worked in this school for many years. Considering it his second home, the teachers and students decided to put together a special surprise for his birthday. Just watch his reaction.
I'm being selected School-Related Employee of the Year. And can't thank you enough for all you do here for these trailblazers.
Love you, Mr. Corey. Congratulations. Thank you for all you do for our trailblazers.
You work, man. Thank you.
And this soccer player has top-notch reflexes. These guys saved the boy who was trying to find a bag he had dropped when he started drowning. This is a surprise for a young refugee from Ukraine, celebrating her 7th birthday with the help of Romanian volunteers. These students decided to thank their teacher on his last day.
Oh, you guys, oh, you're gonna make me cry.
This truck driver saved the whole family from these massive out-of-control floods. There are superheroes, and then there is Officer Fleming, who responded to a call about a gas leak. Once he made sure the kids were safe, he lay on the ground to play with them. Here's a rare moment where Conor McGregor supports and encourages his opponent. This driver noticed a homeless man who had fallen from his wheelchair. While others drove by, this man stopped to help and make sure he was okay. Watch how these soccer players rush to their colleagues' rescue, regardless of their team. A little hockey player fell and struggled to get back up, but then his opponent came to help him up. This fighter found the perfect opportunity to woo this woman right after a weigh-in. An excavator operator went out of his way to shelter this person. And these protesters in Hong Kong worked in unison to let an ambulance through their barricade. The conductor was leading the orchestra on his birthday when this happened. And here these rescuers work hard to save this woman from her car during another flood. The courier noticed an 81-year-old woman slowly clearing the snow. He stopped his work to help her out. Cristiano Ronaldo stopped his bus when he saw this young 11-year-old supporter. The boy's been sick since a very young age, and Ronaldo made his dream come true. This 94-year-old man gives his wife flowers from the garden every day.
Oh, how beautiful. Oh, my God.
And this young man jumped out on the middle of a highway to clear the way for an ambulance carrying a critically unwell patient. This athlete sacrificed her own time to make sure another competitor made it across the line. When this fighter dislocated his shoulder, his opponent could have come in with a finishing blow and claimed victory. But watch what he does instead. This boy was using a tablet in the shop because he didn't have any access at home. An extremely generous gesture, the staff gifted him a tablet, and now he works comfortably at home. This man shows serious respect by taking care after he knocks his opponent out.
Yeah, that is a really nice touch.
And this jockey is lucky to have such an aware opponent who lends him the help he needs to continue. During the pandemic, a stranger brought 500 masks to a local police station and ran away before they could thank him. These kind police officers stopped to give the puppy a drink. This is how you really help out your friend. Put out their car when it's on fire. This man's son died and became a heart donor, saving the life of another person. As a thank you, the transplant patient sent a special gift to the donor's family, a bear with a recording of their son's heartbeat.
Open up.